In this video I'm going to show you how to create a super simple alkaline green detox drink that will increase your energy levels, fire up your metabolism and detoxify your body of various toxins to help against feeling bloated or fatigued so that you can go on with your day while also providing excellent nutritional values to aid in weight loss and improve your immune system. I will explain the health benefits of having this super simple alkaline green detox drink as part of a regular diet at least 1 to 2 times per week, and we'll explain how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy and filling meal consists of only 5 simple ingredients that are easily accessible. These ingredients are 1 cup of baby spinach, 1 cup of lemon juice, 1 cup of red cabbage, 1 medium cucumber and a glass of water. Once you have all the contents gathered, place them in a blender and mix them until you have a consistent texture. This simple and healthy drink not only helps to boost the immune system, but it also helps to detoxify the body and fight off infections, help to lose stubborn belly fat while also improving digestion. And it will also alleviate bloatedness, acid reflux or the feeling of being fatigued. This is a simple meal that won't take long to prepare, and you will be pleasantly surprised how good it will actually taste. That will get your morning off to a great start, satisfy your appetite and leaving you full and energised throughout your day. If you are finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content, and as always, thanks for watching.